Okay, this is not my phone. What's up YouTube, it's your girl DiOR and I'm back with more. So I just want to say first and foremost, if you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. And if you're new, hey, what's up, my name is Danny. I like to eat, do my hair, it keeps going nowhere, period, poop. Christmas came a little late this year. I stopped asking for gifts probably like since I was like 13. But luckily I was able to upgrade and get a new phone as one of my gifts because I've had my 11 since November 2019, so it's been like over 2 years now. And you know, usually I would always try to get the newest phone, but I always just felt like I was at that age where if it ain't broke, don't fix it. Yeah, my mom and my sister got a new one, so I was like, you know what, I might as well. So they sent me the wrong phone yesterday actually, but the new one just came in, so we're gonna go ahead and unbox it. So I don't know who the freak I was, but I attempted to do, you know, a little ASMR video, you know, try to switch it up for the channel, whatever. And it's just giving clownery. So you know what? We're going to act like this didn't happen and instead enjoy my free non-copyrighted YouTube music. Okay, bye. Okay, so my first thoughts on this phone is that it's huge. Like, I wanted a big phone because I feel like over time when you have the same thing it just appears smaller. But shawty, this is a whole tablet. Like, I didn't expect this much because I'm like, I've had the 8 Plus before, so you know it's kind of around the same size margins. But shawty, this is big, like literally. Yeah. So this is the iPhone 13 Pro Max in graphite and it is 128 gigabytes. I did not turn it on yet because I don't want to start the setup process until I completely back up my phone. Because here's my phone now. This is the iPhone 11, same 128, and I had it for 2 years and it's still in good condition. But this is the phone they sent me yesterday, a completely different phone because this is a 13 Pro and it's blue, and I'm like, cool, but that's not what I ordered. So yeah, here's the 13 Pro and here's the Pro Max. So you see the difference, like the size and difference, like that's not even see color. Okay, I understand that, but y'all sent me a whole completely different phone. I was not going to say I genuinely like, please don't play with me. It's giving material girl. I love to keep my iPhones. I don't know, it's just like this weird obsession I have. It's not even a flex, it's just an obsession. So let's go down memory lane. Current phone, my iPhone 13 Pro. As you can see, like it kind of mimics the earlier versions because of the side. Yeah. Okay, we're getting somewhere. No, usually I would like to have my phone just ready for me to use, but I want to transfer it directly so I don't have to worry about all the extra later. So I'm just gonna do this, and it takes about an hour. So okay, now we wait. Okay, so about 20 minutes is not bad. So I'm actually just going to look away and act like I don't see it uploading, just so it can upload faster. So with me doing like the apps transfer and everything, literally like my whole 11 just transferred over to the 13. Like, it's crazy, like technology, right? So yeah, I've had the phone set up for a few hours now and I've been glued to it. Like, I've just been on it. Everything is still here. Everything works perfectly. I definitely noticed the speed is faster because my phone has just been acting a little fugazi the past few days. And yeah, let me take my glasses off. So yeah, I didn't want to give you guys like an in-depth video only because once I finish getting everything else on my phone and, you know, designing it how I want to in terms of widgets and stuff, I was gonna give you a more in-depth what's on my iPhone video. So as of right now, we can just skim through and show y'all, but the camera is something serious. But yeah, so same screensaver, same everything. I don't want to go into the apps yet because that's for another video. But like, hold on, look at y'all. Is this dumb? This seems very dumb. Okay, but basically the fact of the matter is I have no complaints. And even after me transferring my stuff over, on my 11 it said I used 70 something gigabytes out of 130, and now this one says I'd use 41 out of 130, so that's a plus. I don't know if the other phone was just misreporting. I don't know if the other phone was just misreporting or if it's just like dumb, but this definitely made me feel good because I'm gonna have this phone for some time and I didn't want to already have it filled up with stuff. But like all of my photos, I made sure to go through and delete my other photos. But yeah, like 8,000 photos, bro. Like, everything is here. So I'm very glad about that. Only thing I would say is that the cameras are huge. And I did, cause y'all know I had a little camera protector, the little bling camera protector on my iPhone 11. And I ordered one for this phone and it looks wonky. I'm feeling, because let me just show you, it comes tomorrow. But here's the phone, right? Just big in all its glory. Here's the camera protector. The cameras, like the camera bezels, they seem to be more raised up this year. And then the square is just huge. So I'm like, if I put this on here, okay? If I put this on here, it's just, I don't know. Like on camera it looked good, but in person it just looks real wonky. It's not giving what the 11 gave. and I had this one in a rose gold, and I'm gonna return both of them because I don't know, I'm just disappointed. I think I'm gonna just leave my phone on because it's giving, I don't know, maybe I'm overthinking it. It's just not having the same effect, so I'm probably gonna leave it alone because it looks cleaner this way, but I'm scared because I'm clumsy and the camera is raised up a lot. So I'm probably gonna exchange it for a clear one and figure that out later. But for the most part, the phone is holding up great. Everything is just better. Yeah. So, not that you would need a sign to get something that you need, but if you needed a sign to get something that you needed, this is your sign to get the thing that you need. 10 out of 10. Size is still throwing me off, but that's what I wanted. So, yeah. If I want more tech videos, I know this one was kind of ghetto because it's not really my niche. And I don't do this for real at all. I just, you know, I just used to watch unboxing videos of iPhones since like not even middle school, elementary school, and it was just always cool to me. Like, I just love gadgets. So yeah, I will try my best to make the next ones not as ghetto. But that wraps it up for this video. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll be back with more by DiOR Dynasty.